I supposed to do today? Ah, well, definitely it's too boring for me. An update, please. Uh, is there any badges? But I don't think this is great. Huh. First person. Okay, let me just go check. Okay, I still don't have animals. Number of species bred. I haven't bred more of the animals yet, but I really need to go to Westland. Oh, wait. Cinnamon? Well, I can't believe there's a right way. Let me rescue a radish. Oh, wait. It's so fast. This is so fast. And hope these snakes doesn't bite me. I forgot there's a lizard and salamander also. Where am I supposed to go? Let's just rest. Why the wildfire right now? I just already rescued 2 of them. Whatever. And of course, I'm the first one in the leaderboard. But nobody could bat me because I'm already the best rescuer of this place. Alright, the nearest animals are actually one of my favorite. But not actual. Will be adopted. I forgot I have tasks, so why don't I just go? Maybe not, I'm too busy. Why are they still a rookie? There's only girls in here, but I still really need to take care of my pets. Why am I need to have some birds around here? Oh good, the boys just join. I mean, actually I hate girls, but now I'm a stalker, so I stalk only boys. I stalk only boys. Just like I stalk only boys, right? I don't stalking girls. Like I stalked my old friend earlier. And that's why I still continue stalking everyone. Just once he actually still up. How? I stare at a cactus. Why am I did that? Well, there's no way that I can make them happy easily. Don't have enough spaces right now. Well, I do. And yeah. Let me just go grab a fish. But I actually still have a question that if I was a stalker, why am I need to be here? But you guys don't need to understand about it. I know I'm a stalker, but I still keep myself out from stalking. I still keep the stalking. out of my mind, but I can't. I can't. It's because I still cannot hold the stocking. I can't hold the stocking. I can't took the stocking away. I can't hold it. But I still actually. But you know, I think rescuing animals is actually more better than I go stalking every each others in my favorite games. I'm kidding. I'm not a stalker anymore. So I don't think my friends will adopt a lot of animals like me, but I need to upgrade my pet, so I can get more lovely animals or cute animals. Oh, I make it too fit, and my reddish iguana is sleeping, and I guess I can't see it clearly if I. Well, should I remove this tree, or maybe just like you can. Well, I'll stop recording about this soon after this part because I'll go record more of the other games. So what you think? Request me any game you like, or you don't have to request if you already know what I'm like. But of course, you can request it. I don't need any requests around here. I need all the requests. You can ask for a rapping game. I mean, like reading games and like designing games, building games, or rescuing games like this game and Endangered World. You can ask any games you like, or you can ask me like like uh shopping games. Yeah, shopping games is actually one of my favorite, but I only review why I love rescuing more better than stalking. So, but still cute, still a pretty review. Well, if I have Robux, I can finally buy a growth potion. Well, that's enough for my stream right now, I guess.